If you're using Google Adsense to earn money from your content, one of the most important steps is submitting your tax information correctly. Whether you're setting it up for the first time or updating existing details, this quick guide will help you complete the process smoothly and avoid any payment delays. Let's get started. First, make sure you're signed into your Google account. Then, open your browser and go to adsense.google.com. This is your main hub for managing earnings, tracking performance, and handling payments. Once you're on the homepage, click the Sign In button and log in with your Google credentials. After signing in, you'll land on your AdSense dashboard, where you can view reports, account settings, and payment details. Now, from the menu on the left-hand side, scroll down and click Payments. This section contains all of your financial and payout information. Inside the Payments page, find and select Payment Info. This is where you'll manage or update your tax details. Next, look for the button labeled Add Tax Info or Manage Tax Info. The wording may vary depending on whether you've submitted details before. Click it to start the submission process. You'll now be guided through a few steps to confirm your country and account type, either individual or business. Based on your answers, Google AdSense will automatically determine which tax form applies to you. For example, users in the United States typically fill out a W-9 form, while users outside the US usually complete a W-8BEN form. Simply follow the on-screen prompts and fill in the required fields accurately. Each section provides short explanations, so it's easy to understand what information is needed. Take your time to enter your name, address, and tax identification number exactly as they appear on your official documents. Once you've completed the form, carefully review all your information before submitting it. Double checking at this stage helps you avoid common errors that could delay your payments or cause compliance issues later on. After submission, Google will automatically verify and approve your tax information. In most cases, this process only takes a few minutes. Once it's approved, your account will display a confirmation message, and your earnings will be processed according to the standard payment schedule. And that's it. You've successfully submitted your tax information in Google AdSense. It's a simple but essential step to ensure your payments are smooth and compliant. Thanks for watching. And if you found this helpful, don't forget to stay tuned for more easy AdSense tutorials that make managing your monetization effortless.